How to fix YouTube crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube crashing on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here click YouTube and then click force stop, this one, click on it and then go to storage and clear cache. Now just uh, go back and then restart your phone. Click restart here and just close all the apps in the background, and that's it. Now try again and your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.